We're here at the Fun Show with Lee Minshull. Once again, good to see you, my friend.
All right, I'm happy to be here. I'm excited to introduce a brand new product that we'll be launching on January 25th. Our new product is called VaultBox. VaultBox is a brand new product. It's a way to kind of get out there and bring in a whole new product and a whole new clientele. We're using the new NGC X grading system. So where coins before were graded on a scale of 1 to 70, now we're grading NGC X is grading coins on a scale of 1 to 10, with a 10 being the same thing as a 70 and a 9.9 being the same thing as a 69. Our target is to, we want to reach out to a brand new target base. We want to reach out to people who have never collected coins before, people who have collected baseball cards and comic books. We're launching Series 1 on January 25th, and that's going to be more targeted towards the coin business. That series has American Eagles in it. They're all going to be core metals. They're all going to be silver, gold, platinum, or palladium. So we don't have any base metals. We just have all good coins. All the coins are going to be graded 69 through 70. There's a number of key hits in the series. There's the biggest one is a 2075W, which is the 25th anniversary of World War II. That coin is worth $23,000. There's a number of other coins that are $5,000, $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 in it. And the unique thing about this is when you do trading cards, you open up a pack of trading cards. You never know what you have in a pack of trading cards. You could have something that's worth nothing or 100. You got to look it up. All our coins are graded, and on the back of them is a QR code sticker. You zap the QR code, and it tells you instantly. You plug in the serial number, and it's an instant offer from VaultBox. So we have instant offers on all our coins, which is a great way of doing it. And you know exactly what you're getting, and you have an opportunity to kind of have fun and at the same time put together a collection and stuff. And like I said, everything is an American Eagle, and the vault boxes are sealed, and they come like this. Every box is going to be sealed by NGC, and they'll with a tamper-proof tape, and they're also fulfilled by NGC. So VaultBox won't know what coins are in what boxes, or it's completely randomized and pulled and sorted and fulfilled by NGC. And let's see, these are the boxes that you'll get. They have an NGC seal on the end, and they're shrink wrapped, and then on right here is another NGC seal. And so we're like I said, VaultBox is going to be released on January 25th. Each box is $595, and if there's a whole bunch of our website is live at vaultbox.com, and it has a question and answer, and really explains the your opportunities and what the collections are and what the coins are.
And if you go on VaultBox, you can get an opportunity to sign up for a newsletter and keep informed of what's coming up.
Right. So right now we're just we go live and we'll sell on January 25th, but it'll give you an opportunity to register and get that email to sign up and buy the product. And right now it's probably one of the most exciting things to hit the coin business in a long time, just because we're introducing NGCX with the new grading system, and then offering people an opportunity to collect coins on a different basis and have just a really fun way to kind of bring people into the coin business.
And it was kind of, if you saw me kind of drift off early on into this, because remind me of all the times I bought the bubblegum cards and I got the same guy that I had 15 times, and I won't have that problem when I buy these.
Yeah, no, there's a chance of getting some duplicates, but really the way we have it situated with the coins being pulled from 3 sections, you really have an opportunity to get some get value in some boxes. There are some boxes that will bring less than what you paid, but there's a number of boxes that will bring a lot more, and it's really a fun opportunity to collect the coins from VaultBox and to put together collections and stuff like that. And when we come out with Series 2, we'll have some which will be probably launched in early March. Series 2 will also be modern coins from 1982 on, but they'll all still be gold, silver, platinum, palladium coins. But we'll introduce coins that are the first one has only American Eagles, but the second one will have more like some of the high reliefs and some of the silver commems and a much broader range. And then we'll also have an opportunity to build some collections from Series 1 and 2 and get premium offers on those as you put those together.
And we're going to invite the folks to be watching for this, for the developments that are going to come along here. And if I get one of them duplicates, I'm going to find that somebody else has a duplicate of what I need.
Right. So we're going to have some opportunities to build collections and sell the collections at a premium. And a good point here. I mean, we're not here just to sell one or two boxes. We're here to really make this an intriguing opportunity for people down the line. We'll be doing Morgan dollars when NGC releases Morgan dollars graded on this system. We'll be doing ancient coins. We'll be doing treasure coins and treasure hunts, and we have all sorts of things that we have planned out for over the next couple of years. So Vault Box isn't just a one-time opportunity to buy a box for $5.95. We're here to actually build a collectible and build a long-lasting program.
Look forward to coming back for an update.
Yeah, and we're not just going to be doing coins. We'll probably transition into comic books and trading cards down the line too.
Great. Thank you so much.